Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of one of North America's most iconic predators? 10 curious facts you didn't know about the red-tailed hawk. From their astounding hunting skills to their unique behaviors, each fact is sure to amaze you. But before we soar into these insights, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our incredible wildlife content. Why watch closely? Because understanding these magnificent birds can deepen our appreciation for nature and help us contribute to their conservation. Let's keep our eyes on the sky and explore these astonishing secrets together. Fact 1. Master of the skies. Did you know that red-tailed hawks possess an extraordinary visual acuity that sets them apart in the avian world? These majestic birds of prey can spot a rodent from heights of over 100 feet up in the sky, a feat that sounds almost superhuman. This incredible vision is not just about seeing from a distance. Their eyes are finely tuned to detect even the slightest movements on the ground. Imagine having the ability to observe the world with such detail that a tiny mouse rustling in the grass becomes an obvious target, despite being so far away. What's even more fascinating is how this powerful vision plays a crucial role in their hunting strategy. The red-tailed hawk uses its sharp eyes to scan vast expanses of open land while soaring high above, and once it locks onto its prey, a swift and precise dive secures its meal. This remarkable sight is a vital survival tool in the wild, where every meal counts. Isn't it intriguing how nature equips creatures with exactly what they need to thrive in their environments? Fact 2. A hawk's call. Have you ever heard the piercing, resonant cry of the red-tailed hawk? It's so distinctive that filmmakers often use it to represent any large bird of prey in movies and television shows. This iconic call, a fierce scream that echoes through the skies, is typically used by the hawk to proclaim its territory or communicate with its mate. But why has this particular call become the go-to sound effect for eagles and hawks in Hollywood? It turns out that the red-tailed hawk's cry is not only vivid and attention-grabbing, but also embodies the wild essence of the American wilderness, making it a perfect auditory symbol for capturing the untamed spirit of nature on screen. This usage has become so prevalent that many people might not realize they're hearing a red-tailed hawk when they expect an eagle's call. Next time you watch a movie with a majestic bird soaring across the screen, listen closely. Chances are the soundtrack is paying homage to the red-tailed hawk's commanding voice. Isn't it fascinating how this bird's call has flown beyond the natural world into the realm of cinematic history? Fact 3. Habitat versatility. Isn't it fascinating how adaptable the red-tailed hawk is? These birds are incredibly versatile, thriving in a wide array of habitats, from the arid deserts to lush forests, and even in bustling urban environments. Their ability to make a home almost anywhere is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. This wide-ranging adaptability means that red-tailed hawks can be found across almost all of North America. They adjust their hunting tactics based on the available prey and landscape, whether it's catching thermals over a desert, swooping through dense woods, or gliding between high-rises and cities. What's particularly interesting is their presence in urban settings, where they've learned to navigate the complexities of human habitats. Here, they might perch atop skyscrapers or nest on ledges, surveying for pigeons or rats, turning city obstacles into opportunities. This adaptability not only shows their intelligence, but also highlights how wildlife can thrive alongside urban development when given the chance. How remarkable is it that these birds have mastered the art of survival in such diverse settings? Fact 4. Mating for life. Did you know that red-tailed hawks, much like many other raptors, often form lifelong partnerships? This monogamous behavior is quite touching and highlights a softer side to these fierce predators. During the mating season, which heralds a flurry of activity, these hawks engage in breathtaking aerial displays. Picture this: a pair of hawks soaring to great heights, then diving and swooping with such synchronicity and grace. It's as though they're performing a ballet in the sky. These elaborate rituals are not just for show. They strengthen the pair's bond and ensure cooperation in nest building and raising their young. The dedication of red-tailed hawks to their mates is exemplary, with both parents actively involved in nurturing their offspring. From meticulously constructing nests out of twigs and bark to taking turns hunting for food, their collaborative efforts are a profound testament to the complexity of bird behavior. Isn't it fascinating how these birds, often seen as solitary and formidable predators, exhibit such deep fidelity and teamwork? Fact 5. Longevity. Did you know that red-tailed hawks can live up to 20 years in the wild? This remarkable lifespan is quite impressive for birds of prey, highlighting their resilience and mastery of survival skills. But what contributes to such longevity in these raptors? A combination of their adaptable diet, ability to thrive in various habitats, and fewer natural predators once they reach adulthood all play crucial roles. Red-tailed hawks, with their keen vision and powerful flight, excel in hunting and thus rarely struggle for food. This efficiency in feeding ensures they are well nourished, supporting their health over many years. Additionally, the care they invest in their young, teaching them essential survival skills, perpetuates their species' success across generations. Their extended lifespan also means they can contribute to their population's stability over many mating seasons, which is vital for maintaining ecological balance. Isn't it fascinating to consider how the traits that make them formidable predators also help ensure their longevity in the diverse ecosystems of North America? Fact 6, that famous tail. Isn't it intriguing that the red-tailed hawk, renowned for its vividly colored tail, isn't born with this distinctive feature? Juvenile red-tailed hawks actually sport a tail of a much duller hue, which only transforms into the brilliant red that earns the species its name as they mature, usually around the age of 2. This transformation is not just a simple change of color. It signifies the bird's transition into adulthood and readiness for breeding. The red tail also plays a crucial role in their communication and mating rituals, serving as a visual signal to other hawks. Observing these birds before and after their color transition can be quite a spectacle. The young, with their brown and striped tails, may often be mistaken for other hawk species until they acquire their iconic red tails. This aspect of their development highlights the fascinating ways in which nature signals important life stages through physical changes. How remarkable is it that this simple color shift can mean so much in the life of a red-tailed hawk? Fact 7. Impressive wingspan. Did you know that the red-tailed hawk boasts an impressive wingspan of up to 56 inches? This expansive wingspan is not just for show. It plays a critical role in the hawk's survival and hunting strategies. The broad, rounded wings allow these birds to soar high in the sky with minimal effort, conserving energy while they scan the ground for potential prey. This soaring technique, facilitated by their large wings, is a sight to behold, as they glide gracefully across the sky, often without a single flap for long periods. Additionally, their wingspan aids in maneuverability, enabling quick turns and dives, which are essential during high-speed chases in mid-air or when navigating through dense foliage during hunts. It's fascinating to think about how these physical attributes are so finely tuned to meet the demands of their environment. The wings of a red-tailed hawk are not just tools for flight, but are perfectly adapted instruments that enhance their prowess as top predators in their ecosystem. Isn't it remarkable how nature designs such precise and efficient adaptations? Fact 8. Varied diet. Have you ever wondered about the diet of the red-tailed hawk? While these birds are known for their preference for small mammals, their diet is surprisingly diverse, showcasing their adaptability as predators. Red-tailed hawks are opportunistic feeders, which means they take advantage of various food sources depending on availability. Besides rodents, they are also known to hunt other birds, reptiles, and even fish. This varied diet allows them to thrive in a range of environments, from rural countrysides to urban areas. Imagine observing a red-tailed hawk as it expertly snatches a snake from the grass or plucks a fish from a stream. Each meal reflects their skill and versatility in hunting. What's particularly fascinating is how their hunting techniques can vary. In open fields, they might dive at high speeds to catch a rabbit, while in wooded areas, they may stealthily perch and pounce on unsuspecting prey. This adaptability in diet and technique highlights just how resourceful and skilled the red-tailed hawk is in securing a meal. Isn't it intriguing how these raptors excel in such a wide array of hunting scenarios? Fact 9. The solitary raptor. Isn't it curious that despite their fierce and imposing presence, red-tailed hawks are largely solitary creatures outside of mating season? These birds of prey embody the essence of independence. Throughout most of the year, they are seen alone, perched regally atop high trees or soaring solo in the sky. This solitary nature is especially evident in their hunting habits. Each hawk typically claims a large territory which it patrols alone, guarding it jealously against intruders. This behavior ensures that they have enough food resources without competition from other hawks. The solitary lifestyle of the red-tailed hawk also highlights their self-sufficiency. They hunt, nest, and survive on their own, a testament to their adaptability and prowess as predators. However, during the breeding season, their behavior shifts dramatically as they pair up to mate and raise their young together, showing a rare glimpse of their social side. Isn't it fascinating how these birds balance their solitude with brief periods of intense partnership to ensure their survival and the continuation of their species? Fact 10. Conservation success. Isn't it uplifting to hear about conservation success stories? Especially when they involve such majestic creatures as the red-tailed hawk? This bird of prey stands as a beacon of hope in the world of wildlife conservation. Despite facing challenges like habitat destruction and environmental pollution, the red-tailed hawk population has remained stable, thanks largely to concerted efforts to protect their habitats and a general increase in public awareness about the importance of biodiversity. What's particularly impressive is how this stability has been achieved. Conservationists have implemented measures such as protecting nesting sites and regulating pesticides that previously contributed to their decline. The resilience of the red-tailed hawk also plays a key role. Their adaptability to different environments, including urban areas, has allowed them to thrive where other species might falter. This success story not only showcases the red-tailed hawk's ability to overcome adversity, but also serves as an inspiring example of how human intervention can positively impact wildlife conservation. Isn't it heartening to see how our actions can lead to such significant outcomes for nature? Thank you so much for watching our video on the fascinating red-tailed hawk. If you found these facts intriguing, please share this video with friends and family to help spread the word about the wonders of wildlife and the importance of conservation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Your support helps us continue to bring you insightful and engaging nature documentaries. Now be sure to check out the next video popping up on your screen. It's just as captivating. Happy watching and see you in the next adventure.